my Zen amigo and my Zen tribes and my cosmic family. Let us see what is in store for you in the coming 1 month from the time you're watching this reading. This would be based on a few oracle cards, tarot cards, and we'll also look at some kind of guidance and blessings that are coming through in this reading. So this reading would resonate with a few people who probably are, you may have, or you may be wearing something yellow, or this could resonate with someone who has someone wearing a yellow t-shirt or a yellow dress around you at the moment, at the time that you're listening to this reading. Or you may have probably watched a sunrise or a sunset in the past, in the last few days, or you may be watching a sunrise or a sunset. So maybe take that as a sign that this reading is for you. This could also mean that for some of you, you may be following Buddhism, is what I understand. So you can take that as a sign as well. Some of you may have seen white doves around you. You could take that as a sign. For some of you, you may also have the color pink or shades of pink and purple around you. You may be wearing the same, or this could also be the color of probably like a diary or some kind of a furniture around you that is, in the shades of pink and purple. You can take that as a sign. You can take the flower lotus as a sign. If you've seen the lotus, this does not necessarily mean the actual lotus flower. This could be in a painting, or maybe a screenshot or a screensaver wallpaper you may have seen. That you could take that as a sign that this reading is for you. Also, this could be also be possible. This reading could be for people who may be into mandala paintings, or you could have a painting of a mandala on your wall in your house or wherever you're sitting. You may have this mandala drawing or an art around you, or you may have come across something which is related to mandala art. So these are some of the few signs that may help you understand this reading is meant for you. Let us see what the oracle cards have in store for you first. We'll quickly go through that. So we have the first card which says breathe. What you're being told to is, so in the coming 1 month, you will probably just relax and take a breather, looks like. So we have again the lotus flower. This lady sitting on lily pad. This could be one of the signs. So you're being asked to take a breather and relax in the next 1 month. Maybe you've done a lot of hard work just recently, and probably you're being asked to just take that breather. The next card that comes in is chop wood. So this also basically specifies is that just relax, take a deep breath, and just enjoy the small moments in your day-to-day activities in your daily life. So it could be something as simple as watching a sunset or a sunrise, just staring up at the sky, watching the clouds pass by. What you're being asked to, if you are not, you're being guided to kind of just take a back seat and enjoy just the very mundane things that happen in your life. And this also could be possible that you may be going into this flow kind of a state in the coming 1 month. The next card that has come up for you is the fates. So the fates typically means that you are going to receive what you deserve. So if there is some kind of, if you've put in hard work and you have put in your best in the past, in just the recent past, then you are receiving the returns for the same. And that is probably the reason now you're being asked to just sit back and relax, because now is a receiving moment for you. So that is what is coming in terms of the oracle cards for you. We can now quickly move on to the tarot cards for you. So we have the devil energy. This also means Capricorn. So probably some of you have your birthdays in the month of January, December end, January. This could also mean you're watching this reading somewhere in the month of December during the Capricorn season that is coming through. We have the Two of Swords. We have the Justice card that has come in. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, the King of Wands, and the Four of Wands. So what can you expect in the coming 1 month is that, so looks like there has been some kind of a toxic kind of a situation around you in the recent past, and you may have been confused regarding the same, or there could be, you may have come at a crossroads where you've been trying to take a decision regarding the same, or you are awaiting some kind of a decision that is coming through. You may have been involved in some kind of a lawsuit, or possibly it could also be possible you may be going through, or maybe in the recent past you may have been going through some kind of an addiction also, if it is just related to you. For some of you, looks like you were going through some kind of a situation which was very toxic, and you're waiting for the final result that is happening. So what is coming through is justice is being served finally. If you were going through some kind of a you were dealing with someone who was very toxic, then justice is definitely being served. That person is going to receive what they deserve, and this is very strongly coming through in the next 1 month. And also in terms of say if there was some addiction that you were working on, or maybe some kind of some kind of addiction that you were probably suffering from, then that too is kind of getting balanced out. You are coming out of it you're working over it, and you are coming out of it in the next few days. Now, post that, what looks like is that the Queen of Pentacles kind of gives this kind of a very nurturing kind of an energy. And with the Ace of Cups, looks like for some of you, there's some new love coming in. If you are single and looking out for a relationship, if you already are in a relationship, then there's this new beginning in your relationship. If you were going through some kind of misunderstandings or any kind of conflicts in the past, which could also be like some kind of a toxic kind of a situation in your relationship, then there's a new beginning that is coming through for you, and maybe the relationship is healing out finally for you. Also, there looks like there's a lot of balance coming through for you in the next coming 1 month, and there is celebration coming in. So this could also be, maybe you have your birthday coming in very soon, or there could be an anniversary that is coming in soon and you're celebrating. This could also be somebody's wedding. It could be your own wedding, because there looks like there is some kind of a new relationship. Maybe there's a wedding or an engagement decided for some of you. For those who are not at all looking for any kind of a relationship, there seems to be a lot of balance coming in for you, because this card also suggests stability. There's stability in your environment, what is coming through in the next 1 month. There's also good finances that is coming through for you. And this is without where you're being actually told in the next 1 month to just sit back and relax and enjoy. So there is good finances coming in for you. There's also in terms of say your in terms of your relationship, it could be possible that the opposite person, the one who's coming in, if it's a new relationship, then there's someone who is very mature, and there's this kind of a mature energy that is coming in. Somebody who's very magnetic, and this person seems to be very good looking as well. So someone new is coming in for you, for those who are looking in for a relationship. Maybe you might be meeting this person. You could meet this person at some kind of a celebration. Maybe you're going to a party or some kind of somebody else's wedding celebration. You might come across such a person over there if you're looking for a relationship. For others, looks like there's a lot of stable energy coming through, and also at the same time there's this very wise energy coming through for you, and a kind of situation environment around you in the house which is very stable and fulfilling, and a lot of celebration happening in your home environment. So that is coming through for you very clearly in the next 1 month. Let's see what are the blessings that are coming through. So the first one that comes through is love. So definitely looks like for those who are looking out for love, there is some new love coming through. This card says divine source is the idea that no person, place, or thing is your salvation, only love itself. So when you are filled with that love within you, you can easily attract the kind of people around you who will give you the same kind of love, because your cup is full. So you do not expect it from others, because your own cup is full. So this is a blessing that is coming through for you. The next blessing that is coming in is receiving. So yes, this actually means that you are in the receiving mode, because I think I mentioned somewhere that you are receiving. I don't remember where. I don't know. Somehow I'm a little bit blank on that area. But I did mention that you're in the receiving mode. Yes, this was in the oracle cards that came in first. They were, I guess, yeah, one was breathe, one was chop wood, where you were asked to sit back, relax, and just, take that kind of joy in the daily mundane activities. And the fates. So in this card, I mentioned that what you give is you're going to receive the returns now finally. So this definitely proves that you are receiving. And if you're receiving, then be in the receiving mode, because you are getting what you are desiring. So this card says every day it becomes easier to receive the highest divine plan and to trust my inner guidance. So trust your inner guidance and be in the receiving mode, because you are in that phase where you are receiving. So this is an amazing card that is coming through for you. Then we'll see what kind of guidance is coming through for you. So you're being guided to be patient. I accept that everything happens in divine order. So yes, the card that said chop wood, just sit back, relax, just allow things to flow. You will receive what you deserve, and just bring in this patience within you, because when you are patient, you know that things fall into place in divine order. The next guidance that has come through is indecision. So I use my intuition in all aspects of life. So here too, it says that the highest divine, every day it becomes easier to receive the highest divine plan and to trust my inner guidance. So you're being asked to trust your intuition. You use your intuition in all aspects of your life and you will receive. And the next card is health. I will honor the physical vessel that enshrines my soul. So this looks like that your health is also improving. If any of you were going through any kind of health issues, then the next 1 month definitely promises that your health is falling on track again and you are receiving the blessing of health. I'll pull out a few cards from another deck, which is kind of guidance as well as blessings that I feel come from your ancestors or even your guides. Let me just, sorry, they all fell off. Yes, so let me just pull out a few cards. This is a new deck, so it's a little bit sticky. I'll just pick out one card from. So this says, I'm just a thought away. So your guides or probably your ancestors are, or somebody who has passed on or recently was very dear to you, is clearly telling you, I'm just a thought away. So they are always available, if you are remembering them. Or and for the others, if it's your spirit guides, they are always around you. They are telling you that. The other blessing that is coming in is, I am learning over here. So you're being told that on this earth plane, you are in a learning phase. So you are learning through your mistakes, if at all anything is happening. So, with the devil card, you're being told that you are learning. So there's nothing there. There's no punishment as such. We learn our lessons and we move on. And the last one, I'm here helping you. So you are definitely being guided. You are, there is this beautiful energy around you, which is guiding you, which is always around you and helping you in difficult times. So you need to take that as a sign. Maybe for some of you might see a rainbow, and this does not have to be, the actual rainbow. It could also be a rainbow sticker, or maybe a wallpaper, or you may see a rainbow on somebody's cell phone. You could just see a rainbow anywhere. So this could be a sign for you. Yes, that is what it is. Also, like I said before, if it was not a loved one who passed on, it could also be a fur baby. There's a dog here. Maybe some of you may have lost a pet recently. So that could also be the case, but they are around you, they are protecting you, and they're always helping you. So with that, I close this reading. This was such a lovely reading. Just expect this to happen in the next 1 month from the time you see this reading. It's a timeless reading. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. It'll help me to connect with your guides when I am pulling out cards for you, and you will find that the readings are resonating with you even more. So with that, I close this reading. Love, light, and power to all of you, my lovelies. Peace out, my lovelies.